If you're into saving time and making your installs as easy as possible for your accessory lighting upgrades, you're gonna love what we've got for you. Hey guys, it's Nick here, and today we're rolling out a brand new option for you for our Headlight Accessory Connector series of products. Our running and turn signal Headlight Accessory Connector is designed to work with any 2004 to 2020 F-150 truck, as well as any 2004 to 2025 Super Duty truck that is equipped with halogen from the factory. And what this connector is going to allow you to do is power your accessory lighting using the turn signal or running light function of your truck. Installation is extremely easy. Simply plug one side of our connector to the truck's harness, and then we'll plug our other side to your turn signal bulb socket on your headlight assembly. Then we'll use our toolless quick connectors to connect our ground and power wires, lock them in place, and we're done. You can check out all of the options available to you at f150las.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at F150 LEDs. Thank you so much for your support. It truly is our honor to serve you, and we can't wait to see you soon at f150leds.com. Thanks, guys.